Today I will give you a complete guide on how to use the new Google Opal, how to register, how to create your own applications without any coding. And in the end, I will share 3 almost illegal methods to use Opal that I came up with myself. So first, let's talk about how to get access. Google Opal is still in beta. That means it's not available in every country. If you see a region restriction, don't panic. Here is how to bypass it. You can either turn on a clean US-based VPN or just use a fresh Google account, preferably set to the US region. Then go to opal.withgoogle.com, accept the beta terms, and you're in. Just don't skip the clean profile step. That's where most of the people get stuck. Once we're in, let's start by checking out one of the built-in templates, the blog post writer. This one is pretty simple. You enter a topic and it generates structured blog content using Gemini AI. Let's try it out by clicking start. We just type in the blog topic, and for me it'll be how AI is transforming B2B sales. As you can see, it does the research, it writes an outline, then it creates the banner image and writes the post itself, and then it will display the blog post in HTML right here. Here it is. It generated the image, it generated the text, so you can use it in your website or in your social media or anywhere else. As you can see, each blog has its own prompt, so it's like a multi-agent system that is made just from text. It reminds me a lot about MindStudio or Na10, but in Opal you can just use natural language. Basically no other skill is required. Next up is Business Profiler. Let's say you run a small agency or a local service. You enter the name, maybe a website or a bit of info, and Google Opal will put all the data from the web. Let's try it out. I'll paste the information about my company, the Ghost.ai. So here it is, all the information about my business in just 30 seconds. Now this one is for video creators, a video marketer. Let's say you want to promote a new product. You just enter the product name and who is it for, and Opal builds a short form video script. Let's try it out with this input, the Cyber Sentinel Pro as a name, and the product will be a real-time threat monitoring platform for mid to large-sized businesses in finance and logistics sector. Again, it does the research, then it will generate an ad text, generate a video description, and then it will generate the video itself using the new Google model Veo. Right now it's generating an ad text and a video description. So now you can see it generated a clean headline, and we can see this short video, 8 seconds long. It's pretty good. You can play around with it. It can be useful in real business. Now let's test the product research automation. I think this one is ideal for e-commerce, drop shipping, or Amazon sellers. I'll enter the product. It will be a portable solar heated camping shower, and we can skip the optional step, and let's see what it does. As you can see, it conducts the product research. Then it will synthesize the report and it will display it right in this window. So it's generated the buyer report. As we can see, we have key factors for comparison. We have product comparison table with all the parameters that are needed. And we have recommendations based on the use case. We can check it out like this. For sure, it's not 100% accurate, but it saves you hours of searching manually. I'd say this one is a hidden gem in the whole Opal library. Now they are learning with YouTube automation. Here you basically enter the YouTube video URL, and that's it. I will paste my previous video. If you didn't watch it, go check it out in my channel. So we pasted the link. It is extracting the video transcript. Then it will analyze the educational content in it and will generate a quiz. And based on that, it will generate us an HTML page where we can check out the quiz and see the educational content that was in this video. Here we generated the transcript. We have an analysis report and we have a quiz. Let's check the report. We have the key points from the video, the one-person multi-million-dollar company, the automation capabilities, the difference between toys and weapons, and all other different topics that I was talking about in the previous video. Let's check out the quiz. So here we have the question and the answers. I think it's perfect for self-learning, for student projects, or maybe repurposing video content into training material. And now I will tell you how you can create your own personal Google Opal automation without unnecessary coding, as well as how to add elements inside the automation. Let me show you a more advanced idea. we're going to build a sales call quality analyzer, a system that takes a transcript from a sales call and evaluates how well the manager handled it. Click start, and I'll paste here the transcription of the call. It is analyzing right now the transcript and is generating recommendations for the manager based on the transcript. And here we have the full sales performance analysis report. We have the date, we have the lead, we have the call purpose. Based on this information, your managers can learn from their mistakes. Just like that, you've built a basic automated sales coaching system. Now, of course, this is a simplified version. If you want a fully integrated AI sales system that connects to your CRM, listens to calls, qualifies leads, and trains your team in real time, that's exactly what we built for our clients. You can click the link below that leads to our website, where you can watch a short video, check our client cases, and fill out the form. And if you qualify, you'll be able to book a call where I'll show you step by step how this system works and how it makes tons of money for our clients. Now, what are some cheating ways to use Google Opal? Let me give you a few practical ways that actually make sense in real business. First, for freelancers or small agencies, using the business profiler template, you can build a simple instant audit tool. The client types in the company name and gets a structured summary, brand positioning, audience profile, basic strengths and weaknesses. And it looks personalized but takes you less than a minute to generate. And that's something you could easily charge for. Second, for SMM automation, you can set up a system that sends fresh content ideas and hashtags every day. Say you manage 5 client accounts. Instead of sitting down and coming up with posts from scratch, Opal gives you a daily list of themes and trends with no overthinking and no wasted time. Third, automated upsells. You can create an automation using natural language that helps create an upsell offer for your client based on what they already bought. Just with a simple input, for example, a product or service that client purchased, AI will generate a straightforward offer that can bring you a new paycheck, and you will spend almost no time on it. And again, this is all done with Google tools, no code required. Just simple logic and some creativity. If you like this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment if you want a deeper tutorial on any specific use case. And if you want an AI system that fully integrates in your CRM and helps you increase the conversion on every step of the funnel, check the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.